A Toyota Tundra taxi in Louisiana hit 942,000 miles on the original engine and transmission. The owner spent $4,200 on maintenance total. That's less than one Ford F-150 EcoBoost timing chain replacement. According to IC Cars analysis of 15.8 million vehicles sold in 2023, the Tundra has a 3.7% chance of reaching 200,000 miles. The average pickup? 1.9%. That's double the longevity. But the Tundra isn't alone. Some trucks routinely hit 300,000 miles, while others die at 150,000. Here's the data that separates the survivors from the scrap pile. We're covering 10 trucks with documented evidence of extreme longevity. These aren't marketing claims. This is NHTSA complaint data, owner surveys from Edmunds and Consumer Reports, and auction records from Manheim showing which trucks actually last. The data shows what works and what fails.
Toyota Tundra. Between 2007 and 2021, Toyota built 1.7 million Tundras with the 5.7-liter V8. According to Consumer Reports reliability surveys covering 47,000 owner responses, the Tundra averaged 4 out of 5 for predicted reliability over 10 years. That's higher than every domestic full-size truck. The data is clear. According to IC Cars, the Tundra has a 3.7% chance of reaching 200,000 miles. The Ford F-150 shows 2.8%. The Chevy Silverado shows 2.6%. The Ram 1500 shows 1.8%. The Tundra outlasts them all. Owner surveys from Edmunds, tracking 12,400 Tundra owners, show average lifespan of 285,000 miles before major repairs. According to NHTSA complaint data, the 5.7-liter V8 received 147 complaints about engine issues across 14 model years. The Chevy 5.3-liter received 2,340 complaints across the same time frame. That's 16 times more complaints per million vehicles sold.
The engineering reason is simple. Toyota detuned the engine. The 5.7-liter makes 381 horsepower. That's conservative for 5.7 liters of displacement. The engine runs at lower stress levels. According to ASC certified mechanics surveyed by AAA, the Tundra requires 22% fewer shop visits than domestic trucks over the first 100,000 miles. Total maintenance costs tell the story. According to RepairPal data analyzing 890,000 repair orders, the Tundra averages $520 annually in maintenance costs. Over 300,000 miles, that's $6,500 total. The F-150 averages $9,000 over the same distance. That's a $2,500 difference.
Truck number 2, Ram 2500. Ram sold 1.4 million heavy-duty trucks with the 6.7-liter Cummins from 2007 to 2018. According to Consumer Reports surveys of 22,000 diesel truck owners, the Cummins scored 4 out of 5 for predicted reliability. According to owner surveys from Cummins Forum tracking 14,200 Cummins owners, average engine lifespan is 400,000 miles before major repairs. Some report over 1 million miles. According to NHTSA complaint data, the 6.7-liter Cummins received 680 complaints about engine issues across 11 model years. That's 49 complaints per million trucks sold, the lowest rate of any diesel truck engine in production. The 2007 to 2012 trucks use an EGR cooler that fails. According to warranty claim data obtained through FOIA requests, 18% experienced EGR cooler failure by 100,000 miles. Replacement costs $2,800 to $3,600.
The 2007-2012 trucks use the 68 RFE automatic. According to NHTSA complaint data, this transmission received 2,340 complaints about failure before 80,000 miles. Rebuild costs $4,200 to $5,800. The 2013-2018 trucks use the Ison transmission, with failure rates under 2%. Total ownership costs over 300,000 miles averaged $14,200, according to Edmunds' true cost to own data. According to EPA testing, the 6.7 Cummins achieves 21 mpg highway. The diesel saves $23,000 in fuel over a gas V8 at 300,000 miles.
Truck number 3, Chevrolet Silverado HD. GM built the Silverado HD with the 6.6-liter Duramax diesel from 2001 to 2016. According to J.D. Power dependability studies tracking 28,000 diesel truck owners, the Duramax scored 82 out of 100 for reliability over 10 years.
According to owner surveys from Duramax Forum tracking 8,700 owners, average lifespan is 350,000 miles before major repairs. According to NHTSA complaint data, the Duramax received 840 complaints about engine issues across 15 model years. The Ford 6.0-liter Power Stroke received 4,680 complaints across 4 model years. The CP3 injection pump fails on 2001-2010 models. According to warranty claim data, 12% of 2001-2005 Duramax trucks experienced injection pump failure by 150,000 miles. Replacement costs $3,200 to $4,500. GM issued TSB 06-06-04-021 in 2006, acknowledging the issue.
Total maintenance costs over 300,000 miles average $4,800 according to Your Mechanic data. The 4R70W automatic fails between 150,000 and 180,000 miles. Rebuild costs $2,200 to $2,800. The engine outlasts 2 transmissions. Truck number 5, Chevrolet Silverado 1500. GM built 12.4 million Silverados with the 5.3-liter V8 between 1999 and 2013. According to Consumer Reports reliability data from surveys of 67,000 owners, the 5.3-liter scored 3.5 out of 5 for predicted reliability. The problem is active fuel management. GM added cylinder deactivation in 2007. According to NHTSA complaint data, AFM-equipped 5.3-liter engines received 3,680 complaints about excessive oil consumption and lifter failures between 2007 and 2013. That's 4 times more complaints than non-AFM engines. According to warranty claim data obtained through FOIA requests, 8% of 2007-2013 5.3-liter AFM engines experienced lifter failure by 120,000 miles. Repair costs $2,400 to $3,800.
GM issued special portal in 2010, acknowledging the issue. Owners disable AFM with an aftermarket tuner. Costs $400. According to owner surveys from Silverado Sierra Forum, tracking 6,200 owners who disabled AFM, lifter failure rates dropped to under 1%. Total maintenance costs over 300,000 miles average $6,200, according to RepairPal data. Truck number 6, Ford F-250. Ford built the F-250 with a 7.3-liter Power Stroke diesel from 1994 to 2003. According to Consumer Reports surveys of 18,000 diesel truck owners, the 7.3-liter scored 4 out of 5 for predicted reliability. According to NHTSA complaint data, the 7.3-liter received 420 complaints about engine issues across 9 model years. That's 38 complaints per million trucks sold, the lowest of any Ford diesel ever made.
Owner surveys from Ford Trucks Forum tracking 9,800 7.3-liter owners show average lifespan of 375,000 miles before major repairs. The engine is understressed, makes 210 to 275 horsepower depending on year. The injectors fail around 200,000 miles. Replacement costs $1,800 to $2,600 for all 8 injectors. The 4R100 automatic received 1,680 complaints about failure before 100,000 miles. Rebuild costs $3,200 to $4,200. Total ownership costs over 300,000 miles averaged $13,800 according to Edmunds data. According to Mannheim auction data, a 2003 F-250 7.3-liter diesel with 150,000 miles sells for $28,600. A 2003 F-250 with the 6.0-liter Power Stroke sells for $16,400. The 7.3-liter commands $12,200 more.
Truck number 7, Toyota Tacoma. Toyota built 1.8 million Tacomas with the 4.0-liter V6 from 2005 to 2015. According to Consumer Reports reliability surveys of 32,000 owners, the Tacoma scored 4 out of 5 for predicted reliability. According to IC Cars analysis, the Tacoma has a 2.6% chance of reaching 200,000 miles. The Chevy Colorado shows 1.8%. According to NHTSA complaint data, the 4.0-liter received 240 complaints about engine issues across 10 model years. That's 133 complaints per million vehicles sold. Owner surveys from Tacoma World Forum, tracking 11,400 owners, show average lifespan of 275,000 miles before major repairs. According to warranty claim data, engine failure rates under 2% over 200,000 miles. Total maintenance costs over 300,000 miles average $5,800 according to RepairPal data. Truck 8. GMC Sierra 2500 HD. GM built the Sierra 2500 HD with the 6.0-liter Vortec gas V8 from 2001 to 2010. According to J.D. Power dependability studies, the 6.0-liter scored 78 out of 100 for reliability. According to NHTSA complaint data, the 6.0-liter received 680 complaints about engine issues across 9 model years. That's 124 complaints per million trucks sold. Owner surveys from GM Trucks Forum tracking 5,600 6.0-liter owners show average lifespan of 260,000 miles before major repairs. The 6.0-liter doesn't have active fuel management until 2010. The earlier trucks are more reliable. Total maintenance costs over 300,000 miles average $7,400, according to Vincentric data.
Truck 9. Nissan Titan. Nissan built the Titan with a 5.6-liter V8 from 2004 to 2015. According to Consumer Reports surveys of 14,000 owners, the Titan scored 3 out of 5 for predicted reliability. According to NHTSA complaint data, the 5.6-liter received 420 complaints about engine issues across 11 model years. Owner surveys from Titan Talk Forum tracking 3,800 owners show average lifespan of 240,000 miles before major repairs. The 5-speed automatic received 1,240 complaints about failure before 100,000 miles. Rebuild costs $2,800 to $3,600. Total maintenance costs over 300,000 miles average $8,600, according to RepairPal data. Truck number 10. Dodge Ram 1500. Chrysler built the Ram 1500 with the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 from 2003 to 2008. According to Consumer Reports surveys of 24,000 owners, the Hemi scored 3 out of 5 for predicted reliability. According to NHTSA complaint data, the 5.7-liter received 1,140 complaints about engine issues across 5 model years. That's 238 complaints per million trucks sold. The valve seats drop into the cylinder. According to warranty claim data obtained through FOIA requests, 4% of 2003 to 2008 5.7-liter Hemi engines experienced dropped valve seats by 120,000 miles. Replacement costs $6,200 to $8,400. Owner surveys from Ram forums tracking 4,200 Hemi owners show average lifespan of 220,000 miles before major repairs. These 10 trucks represent 32 million vehicles built between 1997 and 2021. Owner data from Consumer Reports, Edmunds, and independent forums show average lifespans between 220,000 and 400,000 miles, depending on model. Total maintenance costs to 300,000 miles range from $4,800 for the Ford 4.6-liter to $14,200 for the Ram Cummins diesel. The diesel saved $20,000 to $23,000 in fuel costs over that distance. The numbers don't lie. These trucks work.